Yo, chat. What is good? Happy Tuesday, everybody. Happy Tuesday. Tuesday all-time high. Hopefully we make some money. Hopefully we crush it today, chat. How are you? Are you guys okay? How are you all doing? It's been a while. But yeah, how are you guys? Happy May. It's already May. Tapos na nga ang Q1. And yeah, we got hopefully a good price action today, chat. I'm hoping this day is gonna be a better one despite, being at all-time high. Hopefully this one is a fruitful session for everybody. So if you're here, let me know in the chat so I can give you a shout out. But yeah, nothing much to talk about this NQ and ES in particular. I just feel like we're gonna grind to the all-time high. As you can see right here on NQ right now, we're already trading at 2800 and ES is currently trading at 7266.50 and we're just 40 points away from the all-time high itself. So the big question is, when the market opens, are we going to rip higher? The million-dollar question, chat. Are we just going to rip from here or are we going to have a decent retracement na magkakaroon mamayang market open? So yeah, for now, imamark ko ang regular trading hour gap, which is the gap between the closure of yesterday and potentially opening of today. So we got that regular trading hour gap. We're opening up here. Ito ang gap, napakalayo niya as you can see. And yeah, we might retrace 75% or maybe 50%, but based on this structure, I feel like it's totally possible na mag-create lang siya ng low dito and just rip higher. I don't know, but yeah, yesterday wasn't pretty as well. During the AM session, it wasn't the best in my opinion. We got a good move later in the day during lunch hour here, but during the AM session, it was chop fest on NQ. So what about the ES? Let's look at the ES, chat. We got the opening gap low right here as well. So malayo-layo din, no? Malayo-layo din ng ES, chat. We respected this previous 930 FVG during 7 o'clock. Then we rallied higher. I feel like this rally is already giving me a sign we're not going to have a good AM session. But, we never know. We also have news later in the day, which is going to be JOLTS and ISM. Hopefully this two move or these two news will create some big movement in the market, yeah, that's what I was hoping for. So far, let's see. We just rallied overnight. We got 1 hour inefficiency down here on the NQ. Not sure if we're gonna trade below here. In particular, I want to see us trade higher kay YM. I'm just not sure if this is gonna trade all the way back down in here for this breaker. We got this breaker in here. Ang YM gusto ko siya, sa totoo lang, if I'm being honest. I want to see YM trade into this highs, okay? Ito ang gusto kong makita. The only issue here is that YM had a large movement sa downside, and I was hoping that we would eventually like catch up, and take this high. Ever since we had an all-time high market, itong YM, it never really traded into all-time high yet, and I feel like one of these days we might trade into the all-time high. Ang problem right now is this inversion, the first resistance of this market. But for now, looking at this wicks in here, I feel like this is gonna slowly grind higher, and hopefully we take out this high and just break out above. So not sure how am I going to participate for now. I feel like if you were not able to participate in this 1 hour leg retracement down here, it's a lot harder to participate up here. Need to have a bigger stops in order for this to work, in my opinion. But yeah, something I'm looking at right now is a trade in here and then maybe trade back into this for value gap kung saan yung daily FBG low on the YM. Shorting NQ. All right. Good luck with that. Jay, Doodle. Good evening, guys. Yeah. How are you guys doing? Hope you are all well. Ang lapit pala ng aking camera. I've been having breakouts, chat. Ang dami kong tagyawat lately. I have a 4 new pimple, which is very annoying. Meron akong tanong, Boss Ron, yung MNQ ba? 2 units lang yung matitrade sa Apex once na pasa na PA account ka na. It depends on the account size. And MNQ, no. Ang ratio is gonna be 1:10. Kung makakapag-place ka ng 2 mini, pwede ka mag-place ng 20 micro kung 25k account. Alam ko pag 50k 2 minis, 20 micros, tapos ma-scale siya into 4 eventually pag tumaas yung balance mo. As far as I know, that's how it works. But yeah, chat, what else? What else is there to talk about? Gold. Let's look at gold. Same thing with gold. It feels like gold is wanting to trade higher. It's a bit consolidation phase right now. So daily time frame. Then we got... Oh, I like this. I like USD CHF. I feel like this one is going to dump in here. Yeah, this one is looking good. Not gonna lie. USD CHF seems decent for the short right now. A lot of liquidity pulls the downside. Not bad. Dollar right now is trading from this bearish for value gap. I feel like dollar can easily move in here. If you don't trade in here, gaya ng sabi ko last week, I feel like this high will not be revisited anymore. Could be wrong, but we got this weekly for value gap, traded into this, then quickly dump. Kapag nagkaroon tayo ng consecutive daily candles, market is gonna rally on Euro and GBP, and it's gonna be a good run sa upside. Good run. I'm getting ready for this price swing na if ever magkaroon tayo ng consecutive daily bullish candle, I'm gonna make sure na makakapag-join ako and capitalize on my CFDs. Actually, you can even capitalize the futures. There's nothing wrong with trading futures Forex. Anyway, let's see, no? Anong mangyayari dito? Very excited to trade today for some reason. Hopefully I make some money, and hopefully you guys make some money as well. Why is it like this, bro? Oh, Apex 180. Ah, that's weird. Holy shit. Oh, that is super weird. Bakit wala sila? Oh, give me a moment. chat. Oh. Gusto ko maging leader today ang YM. Wanna see YM being the leader today. Give me 1 second, chat. I'm just fixing my copy trader. Making sure na everything is okay before ako makipagbakbakan dito sa market. Okay. Found it. All right. What is up, chat? Consolidation ata gold today. Maraming salamat. Yep, you're welcome. Good evening, Mr. 𝙿𝙞𝙨𝙘𝙡𝙗. What's up? Good evening. Good evening. Yeah, all-time high. Nothing really to expect, you know. Don't want to overthink this and just trade what I see based on what the price is going to do when the market open up. No need to complicate it. And just trade what I see, chat. Trade what I see. Structure-wise, it's still bullish. Does not seem to want to be changing its course for now. We could potentially just trade higher from here. This for value gap. Yeah, we'll see about that. I have my trade copier ready. So psych levels is 28100 if we keep going higher. Good for value gap here, I would say. Inversion with a good FVG, we might just pop up higher. We don't know. We're gonna find it out in few minutes. If I have to bet, I would say this could work. Tong low na to dito, it could just, you know, make this market trade higher when the market open up. Psych level is 2800. I hate trading all-time highs, not gonna lie, but what can you do, right? It is what it is. feel like YM has much more potential sa upside. If we break up above this, we might just continue. Who knows? Let's say, what does this look like, right? Breakout trade. Be crazy one. Breakout trade. Bearish inefficiency. 1 hour. Pero feeling ko itong YM mag-rally lang to in 10 seconds. So, we'll see about that. We got news at 10 o'clock, chat. News at 10 o'clock. There we go. Market is ripping. Market is about to rip. Let's go. What the Haley? What the Haley, chat? It's going higher, especially in YM. Let's see. Let's see this. Let's see. Let's see. Is that a fake out? Is that a fake out right now? What we had? It seems like itong ES and NQ still want to go to the upside. Look at the body closure of this candle. That's pretty nuts. Kung nag-long here. See if this is gonna continue or not. I have a feeling that this would just continue to trade higher. Kinda insane to think about, to be honest. Okay, okay.
Kainin natin yung food. Lagyan natin. Ano? Patatis.
Okay, now dumping now.
Patatis.
Gusto kong bigyan ng chance itong YM. I feel like YM is gonna rip sa upside. But I'm not a breakout trader personally, so it's a bit hard. As much as possible, gusto ko magstay sa long side. Sell side right now in here. Looks like we're about to break out. Let's see. Just chop open so far. No real continuation. ES in my eyes has a lot more potential right now for longs. Ayaw pa rin talaga mag-close ni NQ. Above this 1 minute level here. We might just get a breakout here. Let's see. Personally not very good at trading breakouts, but yeah, let's see this. So I'm mag-enter at a much lower time frame, but I want to see a retracement. But once we take out this high, it's going to be a bit more problematic in my opinion to enter. The move is too late because we've already taken out liquidity. There you go. Above 280823. Si YM, naging weak siya bigla. Suddenly si YM naging mas weaker siya bigla. We form a relatively equal low down here. ES, let's see. No potential. What does this look like? Let's say this. Something like this. Is this good? Kung mag-retrace tayo, but we're about to take its high though. Itong high na to, ano yes. Yeah, we're about to take it. Itong NQ about to break. 930 FVG ni YM here. Could be a retracement, then push higher. Kaso mas strong si NQ right now. NQ and ES are much more, has more potential in my opinion. For the meantime, as much as gusto ko mag-long kay YM just because meron siyang mas clear drawn liquidity compared to this two, right now NQ ang stronger pair and ES. I feel like even the breakout traders right now are struggling in this just because wala siyang real follow through, you know. Usually they would buy at this top, and it's been a while since we did not have that strong, really strong breakout. We did break above this high, pero so far we moved like 15 points and it has a lot of back and forth. No more Apex account? I still do. Only 8 accounts left. 8 accounts left. Now I feel like if you bought here, you'll be more comfortable holding this now that price is going to the upside. 15 seconds at BG after we take out this high and we rallied. Ito yung gusto ko kanina. I wanna long here. But I don't like the fact that we took out this high first before we traded into this inefficiency. I'm more in the idea that I want to see us create equal highs, trade into this, trade higher, rather than take this high, then have this bearish candle. Right? YM is still dumping. We did not hold into... We did not hold that level that I wanted to see. We held, so... I would say this is a good spot to be buying. 15 minutes breaker. I think this is worth the shot right now. I'm gonna take this for $200 risk and just see how it's gonna pan out. Breaker, 15-minute breaker. Here. $200 risk. It's a lot weaker right now, but if this market is gonna trade higher, this level should hold and not really trade all the way down. Importante yung 15 minutes closure in this, or even just the 5, really. The 5 minutes should close above this level. Otherwise, I might just get stopped, take out the London low. Might be the play here. Very aggressive. London low is down here. Why take natin tong London low and might reverse. We still have this midnight open. So that could be the play. We really need to reject here hard. Otherwise, if hindi to mag-reject from this level, I might just cut this and yeah, move on. Kasi we still have this London low. It might be seeking London low for session low. So yeah, I need to see this 15-minute close above this breaker. Otherwise, it's not gonna be good. Let's see this. NQ is still pushing sa upside. So YM right now is the weaker asset. Even just a closure, yeah, it's not gonna be good. I may have to take this out because we might revisit this London low. It needs to close above this. Closing this here potentially now. Yeah, that's not good. That I don't want to see that for sure, chat. Kita nyo to? Like, we invert this for value gap. We inverse this 5-minute breaker na may ganito. I might just get stopped in here. Yeah, giving it a second. Let's see if I can get out for break even. So we still have London low and midnight open. So pwede niyang i-attack yung midnight open. Might not take the London low. I feel like this position right now is a bit sketchy. Oh man. I'm cooked, bro. The fact na we're rallying dito sa NQ, it's gonna be sus for my YM. Let's see. We still have this midnight open. So a lot of draw on the downside. Gusto ko ng quick reaction from that level, but we did not really get it, so hopefully I can get out to break even. Wow, bro, really? Just give me that break even and yeah, there you go. Break even there. I think aabot to hanggang dito, midnight open and London low. Just because of how aggressive it was. And the way we traded into this 930 FVG, we inverted it after we did an IFVG, inverted it, and put out a wick right here. This is sauce, you know? Yung mga bearish inefficiency are being respected while yung mga bullish ones are not. So, yeah, I got out there for break even. We're likely gonna trade sa London low and midnight open. No signs na gusto niya mag-push higher. Right, look at NQ, chat. This is just very aggressive. Personally, ang ayoko dito sa NQ runs upside is the fact that we left this equal lows down here. Yeah, that's not good for me. Let's see MNQ. Same with MNQ, no? It's consistent with MNQ. We left this relatively equal lows. So to me, that is a bit sus na magrarally lang yung market. Kaya I did not want to chase it here. ES, mas favor ako sa ES in terms of longs just because meron siyang draw compared to NQ na wala. It's just psych levels on NQ right now. I did pretty good sa crypto this week. Made decent amount sa live account ko. Naglong ako last Friday at this level. Took profit somewhere here, 270s. Right, glad I got out sa YM. My stop loss would have been hit already. Yung 4-hour FVG ni YM was being respected really well. Age 4. right here. Still weaker asset right now. Might just wait, honestly, for the news at this point. 10 o'clock news. 10 o'clock news, chat. What the fuck did it not copy trade? Psych level to 800. Damn, bro, this is insane move on the NQ right now. Feel like it's been pre-market session has been the best. CR lang ako, I'll be back. No point in chasing this. I just have to wait ng news event, baby. Okay, I'm back, child. I'm back. Wow. Look at YM, dude. Nag-trade lang siya into midnight open and we pump higher. This is what I'm talking about. I could have just gotten stop out in here and mag-trade siya higher. Wow, 8100, huh? On NQ, chat. This is crazy. This is just insane. How do you even trade this at this point? Are you just gonna buy and close your eyes? Buy and close your eyes strategy? Is that it, chat? Is that it? Ayoko to. I don't like this. Retails are... I guess they won today. Double bottom breakout. Bam. But they probably got stop out in here on this move. Unless they bought here. Or in here. I don't know. Personally, not good at breakouts. Maybe pullback muna. Sobrang taas na kasi. Maybe, yeah. I don't know. Maybe, maybe not. Maybe it's just gonna go to 30,000. Wow, crypto. Wow, dude. Crypto is at 24K Ethereum. My entry was way lower to 2295 last week. Like, yo, it is low grind though. As much as gusto ko mag-participate dito sa Ethereum, like it is as low grind. 82K, wow, nice for our FVG. On Bitcoin, I feel like Bitcoin is just gonna rally today. I don't think it's gonna have a pullback because we already had one yesterday. Pwedeng i-intraday ang Bitcoin in my opinion. Bro, look at YM, dude. Tingnan nyo yung bounce niya from midnight open. It didn't take London low. Admittedly, I prefer if i-take out nyo yung London low. One thing I have in mind is that pwedeng i-front run to. Let's say you have a closure above this. Pwedeng i-front run yung news, in my opinion. Medyo sus lang tong London low. But we traded already sa midnight open, so I think that would be enough to warrant na mag-trade to higher. I don't know. We'll see. A lot of undecisiveness right now. In all-time high market, you rarely see a good pullback. Sa totoo lang. It's just gonna keep grinding. It's a bit... Kahapon nung nakita ko rin yung market na sobrang chat, sobrang bagal mag-move. I just, by 10 o'clock, umalis na ako sa tapat ng PC ko and I just traded the PM session. Ganda.
Magandaan. Fitness, matcha.
Yung sa akin walang ganyan.
Bakit ko lalagyan?
Eh di magdadala ka na rin ng bag.
Of course.
Man, just wait. Just wait, Chad. Just wait. Be patient. Just wait, Chad. Just wait. Chot. You need to understand, chat, that you need to be patient when it's not in your favor, right? When things you wanted to see don't happen, you need to stop pressing the button. When it makes sense to take a trade, take a trade.
That's fine. That's fine.
So, yeah. Right now, itong 4-hour FVG na to was holding pretty well. But admittedly, chat, I want us to trade higher dito kay YM. I want to see it be the stronger asset sa upside today.
Hi. Hey. No.
Feel like a closure above here in the next 25 seconds could be a long setup. Front run yung news. Anticipate na yung 4-hour magka-close above and we might just see a run higher. Especially this 1 minute OB. Kala ko may FBG siya. Like, this is possible. Right? You know, itong closure na to could be the long. Ang delikado lang dito is that you are front running the 4-hour closure na baka bigla mag-reject siya all the way down here. Mas favorable itong longs na to if we close above 4-hour candle. Dito sa H4 for value gap na to. Ang issue dito is that if that happens, it's probably too late. Let's say pag nagantay ka pa ng closure ng 4 minutes right now, it's probably too late to take a long trade. So it's a bit risky, but yeah, we took a good low already, 5 minutes inversion. The risk to reward is not the best in my opinion because ito yung first take profit, 1:1. Pero yeah, look at it now, it's ripping after we take out this low. So yeah, we're likely gonna trade into this high and then mag-catch up na siya eventually. Look at how NQ right now, right? Tingnan mo yung NQ, nag-dump, right? And you can see yung YM nag-rally. So this is what I've noticed kapag ang NQ malakas siya sa upside, ibig sabihin weak ang YM. For some reason, it's like that. When you're looking at NQ and ES naman, they should be the same. So they should be the same move. Pero ang YM, for some reason, it's always the opposite. So, yeah, let's just wait. In 3 minutes, news is gonna be released. Hit the thumbs up, chat. Would mean a lot to me if you like yung stream. Hit the like button. Para ganahan ako mag-stream every day, chat. Help me stream every day. I don't have a private Discord no more. So, yeah, I want to stream every day so YouTube starting from today. But yeah, give me some motivation, chat. Hit the like. Maybe we reach 10K this month. I don't know. Just maybe. 10K this year. I mean, tagal ko na nasa YouTube. I still haven't hit 10K. Damn, chat. 10K. Siguro pag nag 10K ako, may bigay akong 10K pesos. Who knows? Oh, wow. We got a lot of inefficiency dito sa 5. EDL. Wait lang, Storm. Nagtitrade si Daddy. Tumatawa na naman ang aking aso. Right. Good closure, I guess. This is more favorable in my opinion. I think we're gonna rip 25 seconds from now. Yung news event is gonna trade higher. Did not want to take the risk. Here. Oops, yeah. Oopsie. But yeah, I think this is gonna rip. Let's say naglong ako there. Probably stop is gonna be here. Not the best RR, which is why I only take. Rather wait. Crazy YM, bro. Had a good idea about this. Nag V-shape lang siya, chat, oh. Grabe, no? Crazy. What if I took this? It's a bit chasey, in my opinion. Medyo chasey yung move na to. But yeah, look at YM now. It's catching up. After 4-hour closure above, we're having a great move sa upside. Could try this. $100 risk. So something like this. Maybe equal highs up here. I don't know. Dito, buy side. Here. Hopefully hindi tayo mag-seek and destroy up somewhere here, you know. We're gonna expand. That's what I was hoping for. Biyaw, nahihirapan ako sa'yo! Baba. Kulit mo. Sige, ito medyo more on intraday trade ito. What about the NQ? Kapag all-time high, kailangan mo talaga mag-drop sa 15 or 30 seconds if gusto mo mag-trade somewhere up here, you know? I feel like it's so hard sa 1 minute when it's at all-time high. I feel like 30 seconds and 15 are the best. Just trading 4 micros, chat. Just 4 micros. Nothing crazy. I got multiple accounts. Different firms right now. No way, bro. Ang masama dito is if we just freaking seek and destroy. So what I mean by that is we just do this, right? Taking both sides, walang continuation. Itong trade na to, it's more of betting on the idea that we're gonna have a trending price action. But yeah, so far, good model up here for our inversion, right? For our inversion here, then we got 5-minute inversion, then anticipating continuation after ma-take out ng, or after niya mag-take out ng recent low down here, while also touching the midnight open, which is the true day opening of the market. So maybe that is the manipulation, right? Baka ito yung manipulation ng market. Trade into discount, and then potentially ito yung first leg ng swing low, then trade higher. So hopefully that will be the case. Nag-confirm naman yung 4-hour. But yeah, ang sketchy lang dito is we did not take the London low. That's the only part na medyo sketchy sa idea na to. Still, NQ not doing anything good. We also have equal lows here that you need to be mindful of. Then ES, I would say ES, I like the previous day high ni ES. Sa totoo lang, I like this. Previous day high and eventually all-time high. PDH and then all-time high. Ano ko kaya ma-share ang aking ano? What? This is not good, bro. Hindi lumalabas. Oh. Ba't ganun? For some reason, ayaw. That's weird. Ayaw pa share. Sobrang dami kong tinitrade siya right now. Like, I think more than 20 to with different prop firms. So hopefully, this is just gonna grind higher. Ni-share ko yung ano ko, ayaw. Ayaw ma-share ng PNL dashboard. This is what I'm saying, right? YM is gonna eventually catch up. That could just be the manipulation, and I feel like this is a good level to target equal highs. Ooh, oy, what happened? Oh my god. Ano nangyari? Ba't nawala ang aking... That's crazy. Nawala ang aking trading view. God, bro. What happened? Shit. Wait lang chat ha. For some reason, nawala ang trading view ko. What the fuck? God, bro. Annoying. Oh. Up na ako ng good right now. Man, aray ko. Bakit ganun? Here you go, man. I'm up pretty nice right now, chat. Parang mas prefer ko yung trading view ko na ganito kalaki. No? Para mas makita nyo. I don't know. What do you guys think? Feeling ko masyadong expanded. I'm up nicely right now. I think up na ako ng 1 hour. Up na ako ng 1 hour on this trade. Just gonna hold this. Give it some time, you know. Give it some time to work. Give this higher. Okay lang bang ipa-delete ko ang account ko tapos gagawa ko ulit under ng code mo? No, you don't need to do that. You just need to buy another account, honestly. Hindi mo kailangan ipa-delete yung account mo. You just have to, yeah, buy a new account, use my code. There's no need to create a new one. Will you take me higher? Look at crude oil right now, chat. It's getting wrecked. Crude oil is getting wrecked. Actually, 4% on the day. I feel like we have a good volatility on this market. Crude oil. What else? What market to check? What other market is there to trade? I feel like it's been pretty hard to trade this NQ for the most part. NQ is a dog shit. Dog shit right now, chat. Dog shit. Which is why I'm trading other pair. Because look at NQ. This is not good, bro. I like this equal highs up here. Nakikita niyo ba tong equal high na to? This is good in my opinion. So we got a good DOM right there. Maybe a buy the dip opportunity. I don't know. What else do we have here? I feel like that was a news. No, I feel like this candle was a news candle. Not really changing my stop loss for now with YM. Just gonna hold through it. NQ, if we close below here, in my opinion, the idea of going back to 27970 is possible. We got SMT previous day highs taken as well. Yeah, if we do invert on NQ, I would entertain the idea na we would trade into this equal low down here. Dito sa 5-minute inversion. See this 5-minute inversion? Yan. Unfortunately, my YM trade is being dragged along. But yeah, just going to hold this. Base it mindset, like 1-0 mindset, chat. 1-0 mindset. All right, we got an inversion. I feel like we can easily trade deals at equal low, not equal high, equal low down here. Lots, do you move stop loss to break even? Yes, if there are two ways, right? When you should move the stop loss to break even. Number one is if the market tells you na the price should not trade back to your entry. So dapat mag-break even ka kasi you believe that market should not trade into your entry anymore based on the structure of the price action. Number two is this is not a good one. Sometimes it works, sometimes it bites you. It is when you no longer can psychologically held into that position. Sometimes the best thing to do is just protect that profit para you can hold it longer. But sometimes, yeah, the issue is break even and then go in your favor. That might cause you to tilt even more. Do 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 do. Oh no. Back to break even. Back to break even, chat. Break even. Wow, that was very aggressive, chat. Sobrang aggressive ng... That was super aggressive for Anki to do that. IFBG, wick, and then lala ng we got, I think meron tayo another 5-minute FVG here. Yep. Lods, what is that? Justin Mark. Calix. Oh no, Chad, I'm in trouble. Ay, hindi siya in trouble. Still doing well. Not going to move my stop. I'm just gonna take this freaking risk, Chad. Take this freaking risk. I think I would go break even is if we, in my opinion, I could go break even if we trade up here. Especially closure above this should be a break even. Should not really go back to my entry if mag-invert pa tayo up here. Dito sa 1 minute for value gap na to. In my opinion, if we start to trade from this level, it should just rip higher. Ito yung 930 FVG nito. 930 FVG. There you go. Damn. What if mag-experiment na lang ako with meme coin and trade my crypto live since walang magandang move? Anong crypto ang magandang i-trade, chat? Can you guys give me an idea what crypto? Or kaya anong magandang i-buy sa spot? Ano yung ano nyo? Ano yung sobrang confident kayo in terms of spot na tataas aside from Bitcoin? Solid do, 𝙤𝙤𝙘𝙧. Do you remember 𝙤𝙤𝙧, chat? Yung AXS, it's at $300 or $180. Freaking crazy. Si Pepe. Gusto ko yung bumili ng meme coin pero I don't trust this equal lows. Hindi ko pinagkakatiwala na itong mga equal lows on meme coin right now. As much as I would love to short them, you know? Or long them. Trump coin, no? Damn good times. Solid, oh. Downtrend pa sa downtrend. Crazy. Freaking crazy. I can't imagine how many people got wrecked dito. God, bro. Chat, what crypto? Tell me, chat. All right, what's cooking on this position? It's going higher again. It's going higher again, chat. Hopefully magkaroon tayo ng big bullish 1 hour candle. Nag-trade pala tayo into this full hourly gap fill. See this bearish hourly gap fill? But I feel like this is not gonna work, to be honest. I feel like my disrespect on bearish 1 hour, it's too wide. We traded too much. Looking more on the idea that we will go back into this NWOG. 𝙤𝙤𝙧 is the start of market exposure. Ada, yeah, I'm fucked on Cardano, chat. I bought way too much. I think I have like probably more than 50k Cardano. Ang average ko is at 0.7, 0.8. Down ako ng I think more than 50%. Yeah, more than 50%. Crazy. Yeah. Down akong 64% from pick. Like, what the fuck? Ilang years ko na hold to. I was able to get in this move and then chop around. Dito, madami akong dinisi-A dito. On this retracement, madami akong dinisi-A. Then some point, I was in a good position. Right? Dami kong spot dito sa Cardano move na to. Here. Here yan. Dami. Tapos, inold ko. When I saw this dip, I bought more. Then I saw this pump here. My portfolio is looking good. Then, it went down for real. Actually, di ko sure if dito ako bumili or dito. I think here. Or it could be here, tas umabot siya hanggang dito, 0.75. So, nag-DCA ako dito. Not too sure. Yeah, I think here. Kasi tinitingnan ko tong equal lows na to. Right? Sabi ko, bibili ako dito when I saw this dump. Then, yeah. Yeah. In short, I'm down a lot. Ang thesis ko dito was, dito, based on monthly candle, I believe. Yeah. Ito, monthly breaker. Tinitingnan ko tong monthly breaker na to. This is where I was buying a lot every day. $50, $100 per day. Boom. Hindi ko na, yeah, ever since then, I just did not look at my crypto portfolio, honestly. It's just disappointing. All right, what do we have here? We traded higher again, which is nice. Could, like I said, break even stop here. There's no point, really. There's no point for this to go back to break even. I could probably, wait, let's see. Could probably add in here. If we form a fair value gap in here, let's say something like this. Stop go in here. This would be like 4 micros, maybe. Yeah, $200 risk. At least yung initial position ko is at break even. So if I take another here, is my stop loss safe in this level? Maybe. Yeah, just wait for 5 minutes closure. And break even stop now. Break even stop minus commissions. Hopefully, you know, this will work. Just a few dollars up right now. Trading this account very conservative. I have end of day. I don't have trailing account right now, chat. Wala akong trailing account, so I trade differently. Plus, yung strategy ko with like NQ just taking 10 points has been pretty hard since this market rally sa upside. I'm more so trading based off what I do on CFD. Acid days is the startup market exposure sa lahat ng Pinoy trader now. Yeah. True. Actually, ang weird, chat. Like, is Axie still alive? Kasi, live account? No, I trade props. Tignan niyo yung mga email na nare-receive ko. Freaking crazy. Hindi ko na alam paano ko ma-access to, but look at this. Recently, yung mga Axie ko, they're in the marketplace. Binibili sila for 0.01 Ethereum. So, maybe nilist ko sila bago ako nag-ano. Nilist ko sila siguro, I think. Yeah. Hindi ko alam kung offer lang to or nabili siya. But look at it. Yung mga Axie ko are still in the market. What if maglaro ang Axie, no? Would that be fun? Paano maglaro ng Axie nowadays? Nag-offer lang yan. Yeah, I have so many Axie, chat. Like, more than 50. Tapos nasa meta lahat ng mga binili ko back then. Like, crazy. Tingnan ko paano ako maglaro ng Axie. Because, I don't know how to get those. Anong kailangan kong i-download? It says log in. Log in with extension wallet. Let's see. Ronin wallet. May Ronin wallet ba ako dito? I don't think so. Add existing wallet. Holy shit, chat. Di ko na alam. Ano yung... Meron akong Trezor for my Axie. Pero, hindi ko na alam yata yung seed phrase ko. This one. This is my Trezor, chat. Ito yung Trezor ko for my Axie. Hindi ko na alam yung password, yung seed phrase.
Alam ko.
Ano? Alam ko, meron pa akong 2022, meron akong mga altcoins dito, 250, around 150k. Ngayon siguro yung value na to, wala mang 5k. Because they all basically went to zero. Check rate. Ayan, ano pa to? What do you call this? Hindi pa siya USB-C. Try ko nga saksak. Oh my god, bro. Ano kaya yung ano ko? Ano kaya yung seed phrase ko? Paano ako maglalaro? Get started. Dina-download ba to? How can I download my Axie? Install game. Yan, na-download ko na, chat. Let's watch it. Right. Wait lang, ha? I'm debating if I should... Oh, look at NQ, bro. It just rallied pretty fucking crazy. I feel like NQ has potential to trade higher from this FBG. From what I can see. Di ko alam if good ba tong YM to buy in here or just let it go. Kasi ang issue ko with YM is we never traded in here, which we might do. I don't know. I'm not willing to pyramid in here. Feels like NQ is more bullish at this level. Maybe mag-trade tayo dito sa 5. Ito, gusto ko siyang i-take risk dito. Gusto kong mag-long dito kay NQ. Tapos, at least this level. Wow. Yeah, I feel like, yeah, I guess I was too late. Gusto ko yung consolidation na nangyari inside this FVG. Dami ko kasing dada eh. Puro waxy eh. Wait. Pero dinownload ko na, chat. Just give me 1 second. I'm gonna do my best and see if makakapaglaro tayo actually. Wow, bro. Yeah, I think that was a good buy here. Tight stop. Weak test din dito. Still in this trade though. Ayaw ma-download. Yeah, ayaw. Next time, figure out ko muna tsaka hanapin ko yung Axie ko. Then maybe I can play some Axie during the stream. Pag walang ginagawa, chat. I might just do that. All right. Let's see. Still good position in my opinion. Here, a good scalp in my opinion. Buying below the FVG low, stop here. Take profit was high of day. $15 seconds OB. Kung nag-long ako dito, pretty much break even all right now. If I took that. May kumikita pa ba sa ano? Ah, marami na pala ang Axie. Okay. May Axe. Ang dami na palang game ng Axie nowadays. It has different world. Ayan, Axie Classic. Axie Origins, Homeland. Grabe, ang dami na. Wow. I think tinanggal na rin nila ang SLP sa Axie. Right? Tinanggal na nila yata yung SLP earnings. Kung di ako nagkakamali. Oh shit, chat na-open ko. Crazy. Na-open ko ang Axie. Nostalgic. Wow, bro. Kasi sinakop niya yung buong ano ko. Sinakop niya yung buong screen. Oh my god. Tingnan niyo daw chat. Sinakop niya ang buong screen. Crazy. Ay gagi. Take out siya. Yeah, if nag-long ako dito, this would just be my take profit. Ay, pucha ka. Tangina mo. Nagkamali ako. Pakyo ka, bes. Pakyo ka. King ina mo. King ina. Dito ako nag-enter limit. Nagkamali ako. God damn it. Talo ako $100 doon. Dito ako nag-enter. Nililimit ko siya. Right here. Tapos nilagay stop. Nag-enter siya here. That sucks, man. Enter ako sana dito sa 5-minute FVG. O 5-minute OB. Lost $100 because of that technical mistake. What an idiot, bro. That was such an idiot. Yeah. Talo ang 120 per account just because of that silly mistake. I was planning on buying here, not in here. That was very, very unfortunate. It is what it is. I guess. Bad trip yun. Na-aksidente kong naklik ang bota. Start creating order. Ba? Naka-market ba ako? Tapos binay ko? Di ako sure. If nag-buy ako here, my stop would just be 12 points. Let's see if ma-stop out ako. Because if I get stop out, mawawala yung inis ko. Kasi I would have taken a full $200 loss. Right? This is a trade, something like this. Kapag umabot to hanggang dito, either way, kamali ako or not, I'm gonna get stopped. So let's see if that was going to be the case. But I feel like this is gonna work. If this worked, yeah, it's gonna be an expensive mistake for sure. Order error. Nagbabuy ako inside this 5-minute OB. Below this 1 minute wick low. Yeah, let's see if that's not going to be the case. Kung ma-stop out ba ako or what. Kasi natalo akong 120 per account in that trade. I had to get out because that was a huge mistake. Yeah, either way, matatalo ako dun. So, yeah. I guess that's fair. Ito, sana hindi ako mag-break even. Pag na-reclaim to, I'm gonna add itong level na to. Pag na-reclaim tong level na to, let's say we close above this with a good 1-minute FVG, mag-a-add ako into this position sa upside. I'm gonna double down on this trade. If that happens. If not, it is what it is. Let's see. If mag-close tayo above this with a good FVG, I will add into this. Right. Yeah, I'm just gonna follow this plan, you know. If we get a closure above here, I'm gonna add into this. Maybe $200 risk again. Tapos, yeah, I'm just gonna have a much wider take profit. Closure. Kailangan makakita ko ng 1-minute closure above. If this occurred, then yeah, I'm gonna add. Total exposure ko is going to be 225. Tapos pag natalo, I'm gonna call it a day. Essentially, I took 2 trades already. No closure. Need to get that closure above. Like I said, if we get above here on this 5-minute FVG once more, I'm gonna add into it. But so far, no additional session. So dito kay NQ, if we get below this IFVG, this is gonna be a short in my opinion, and target this low, equal low. Okay, NQ. For NQ, this is the bias. If we close below this one more time, there's no reason for us to trade up here again. Essentially, isa itong BPR, and yeah, this should just keep rallying. If this then that, right? If we close below here, I'm gonna be bearish. Target this low, target this equal low down here. YM, I'm more of a bullish in here. But if all of a sudden itong NQ decided to invert dito, it could take the Dow with him. So that's gonna be a tricky part for sure. Lapit na rin tayo sa macro time. Tapos sa bullish idea naman, in my opinion, for as long as, I think, even if we just reclaim this for value gap, trade up in here, that would warrant already a good trade sa upside, because we're trading into a BPR, right? In here, do you see this BPR? Then malapit na tayo sa macro time. So if we reclaim this, then eventually break above here, we're likely gonna trade to this level and eventually 28,200 if you want to stay bullish. So as long as itong 5-minute BPR na to on NQ, so BPR is a double for value gap in here, right? You see this? Wala pa tayong closure above this. So as long as we're above this, we're still bullish. Oh, what happened now dito? Ano nangyari? Ba't naka-replane mode? What the fuck? Why are you in replay mode, bro? Lah! Gagi, ba't nawala yung position? Ay, hindi. Kala ko nawala yung position ko eh. Oh, wow. Dito kay ES, we actually already inverted. After we take out the previous day high, nag-invert na tayo kay ES. So we failed to trade. We failed to trade above here. ES already showed now it wants to trade lower. Oh man, bro. Wala pa din closure above. This sinasabi ko sa inyo, as long as we're still above this, still chance na trade tayo 28,200 next psychological level. Itong low na to, even though they're equal, what's sketchy is this is a 15-minute gap. So it might just be this gap getting filled. Let's push higher and not going to go back in here anymore. And we might just trade higher from here after we inverted this. I don't know. Let's see. Wala yung YM, ayaw talaga. Ayaw niya talaga mag-trade above here. Likely gonna get stopped here for break even. Especially if nag-dump si NQ. That was aggressive closure. So 3 candle formation, right? Swing high. Nag-form tayo ng swing high, which is not good in here. So usually yung market nag-start siya mag-rally or expand after forming a swing high. 3 candle formation. So next candle, ito, more likely possible ako ma-stop in here. Nag-form din siya ng swing low here, right? But the thing is, if yung market mag-rally siya after forming this swing low, we should not take this low. Yung third candle, low, dapat hindi yan ma-taken out. That mag-stay lang siya above this. Dito sa 50% or 75% area. So kung swing low to, dapat itong fourth candle, hindi siya mag-take ng third candle low. If swing high to, if this is a swing high for bearish, dapat hindi siya mag-take ng candle high here. If we took the candle high here, more likely consolidation na mangyayari. So that's my thought processes are. See how NQ failed to rally from this level? Kapag nagkaroon tayo ng closure below this, in my opinion, that could already warrant a trade to the downside. Itong level na to din, itong gusto kong makitang inversion, it's not being inverted. In fact, nag-create tayo ng high here. Choppy market, chop, chop, chop. Been following in FB, bro. Are you? Anong strat gawin mo? I use. Can you bless me 1k Gcash, bro? I wanna trade XNES. No. That's not how trading works, bro. You need to get a job. You need to not have any financial pressure. Like, lately, ang dami nag-DM sa akin. Like, they're asking me for money, thinking that trading is gonna save them. No, it's not. Trading is not gonna save you, especially if you're in need of money. I use ICT concept. Need po ba mag-subscribe sa data ng Trade8? No. Live account yan? No. I'm trading my... I'm trading different prop firms right now. Trade a lot, actually. Still have Apex, pero 8 na lang to. And likely they're gonna be blown. Only have like 1k drawdown. Still no closure, bro. Tangina, wala pa rin closure. Fucking kidding me, bro. That is just insane. That's just insane. Take out tayo ng multiple highs. 1, 2, 3. So we might, I don't know, we might rip sa downside. Wala pa din closure above that key level. Very indecisive for sure. Very indecisive for me. I'm not loving it. I'm not liking it at all. Too many back and forths. Mahirap mag-pyramid in here. I did not see what I wanted to see. So I might... Oh, man. Oh, damn it. Going up one more time. Hopefully, you know, we finally get that push I wanted to see all the way up here. If not, it is what it is. Hindi lumalabas to. Hindi ko alam ba't ganun, pero hindi lumalabas tong buwisit na to. How can I share this? Gusto ko sana makita niyo yung live P&L habang nasa trade ako. It just can't. Chat, it just can't. Don't know why. I guess accounts pwede siya Ninja Trader. Wala rin talaga. Hindi pwedeng i-share ang Ninja Trader. Hindi pwedeng i-share ang screen ng Ninja Trader, unfortunately. Oh my god. Na-delete ko. Iba na-delete ko. Fuck this. Delete ko ang trading view. What if? Ang gusto ko ganito kalaki para makita niyo yung actual PA. I guess that would still have been a valid idea na mag-long dito. It's so slow, man. Want this. Could have added here, to be honest. On this closure. It is what it is, I guess. It is what it is. Decent amount right now. Minus yung $120 loss from earlier. It's a decent PNL at the moment. Just trading micros, nothing crazy. Damn, medyo nagsisisi ako na hindi ako nag-add. Could have added, but I got pussied out. Oh. Third payout ni kuya ko, makukuha na niya, chat. It's been trading for a year. Boss, naka-off? Naka-off? How come other affiliates promote other firms but you only do Apex, bro? I'm exclusive with affiliates. I'm exclusive. What is though, bro? Hey, bro. Yeah, chat. Ang dami nag-DM sa akin. I think just this last week alone, grabe. Like, there are people that are in debt. That's someone, I think someone was asking me for 10k USD. No joke, chat. Wait, hanapin ko, no? Sabi niya. Hindi. Ron, parang gusto ko na lang mawala dahil nabaon ako sa utang. Mas lalang bumaba yung confident ko kung ano-anong binibitaw na masasakit na salita sa akin. Meron lang anghel na baba sa lupa na papahiramin ako ng pera pang bayad sa mga utang ko nagkakahalaga ng 10k. Like, what? Crazy, chat. Mahaba to. Wala naman siyang pangalan, but this is real, chat. Look, na-receive ko to last week. Right? Not sure if you can see it, but yan. Gusto ko lang mag-share. Malapitan. Ayoko sabihin lahat ng ito. Na-loss ako ng 51k. Gagawin ko, sir, nagkautang pa ako ng 10k sa lahat. I'm currently andito ako sa Japan. Ano ng pera pambayad. Minsan napapaisip ako, Ron, parang gusto ko lang mawala dahil nabaon ako sa utang, bla bla bla. Salita sa akin, Sir Ron, kung meron lang ang hell na kakalaga ng 10k USD, babayaran ko hanggang mag-heal ako sa sobrang depressed ko. Utang ko, papahiram sa akin. Yeah. Like, if you have a debt, chat, don't get into trading. It will just get worse. Trust me. Kung marami kang utang, just don't get into trading. Chances of you making it work, it's not gonna happen. It's so much easier to trade kapag wala kang utang when you don't have financial obligation. Like, some people would also like ask me for money para pang trade nila. It's not gonna work. Grabe, di mo sure baka scammer lang. Yeah. I don't know, like, chat, that's not gonna work. What happened here? You going to break? Possibly? Again? Trade na naman tayo sa 5-minute BPR. Look at it. Trade into this, then bam. Trading is not business. It's actually a business. So it's hard to, yeah, it's just hard. Like, yeah, I wouldn't even recommend trading, honestly. You are better off trading with, or, I don't know. If there are other ways to make money, chat, and it's not trading and I could make a lot of money outside of trading, I'll probably not do it. It's stressful, it requires a lot of time. Sobrang daming time, you know. If nepo baby lang ako, if I have a business from family na I make 50 million a year, PHP, or even just 20 million a year, guaranteed, if I just sustain that business, I'm just gonna do that. Sa mga relatives lang, hirap magpailam, lalo na sa mga stranger. Digital na mga scammer nowadays. Yeah, I don't, yeah, unfortunately, yeah, once you start making money, you get a lot of people asking you for money. At first, it's fine, but eventually, you know, you have to stop. Kasi, yeah, people think you're just gonna keep making money forever, and you ended up, yeah, not getting paid, fortunately. Right, chat. I wish, you know, I really wish I did add into this. I did say mag-add ako once we break. I was hoping na I could get that breakout in here. Medyo nag-alangan ako mag-add in here because we got this triple liquidity being swapped. I thought we could possibly reverse, you know. But that could be an add or in here. Could have twice the profit already. But yeah, I like this. Up here, buy side liquidity. See, kita nyo to, equal highs up here. In my opinion, could take a partial up here. 15 minutes BPR. Kasi pwede tayo mag-retrace deeper, right? But yeah, I like this. Might just hold this for the rest of the day. Ilang RR nito ang trade na to. I took a long here. This would be like 2.6 something. Idol profit ka na ngayon, London session? No, I'm not. I'm currently down actually. Meron akong unrealized PNL, but if I close this, I would be up like 170 per account. Natalo ako ng $120 from the trade earlier. So, yeah, I took a loss, $120 earlier. Tapos ngayon up ako ng 300 and realized profit. Bakit na-disconnect ang aking Bonox? What the fuck just happened? Bonox, bro. Three dies a daily FVG low. Still at break even, not touching this for now. I still like this buy side up here. Hopefully we do get it. Anong strategy mo sa trading? I use ICT concept. Dati 300 subs pa lang, ngayon 6K na. Congrats. Thank you. But I feel like it's very low, to be honest. Yeah, I think it's low. Very low subs right now. Should be more. Been grinding YouTube for a while. For some reason, the algorithm is not favoring me, chat. The algorithm is not favoring me. Fortunately. So, ito yung first resistance area, right? This is the first resistance area. Itong daily fair value gap low inversion. So, pwede tayo mag-wick, get back to my break even. But personally, I like this buy side up here. Hopefully it happens. Pag wala, yeah, just 1 loss, 1 break even. 2 break even actually. 1 loss, 2 break even. Hold ko lang to. In my opinion, can start taking partials in here, pero ayoko mag-take ng partial if I'm being honest with you, chat. Don't wanna take partials. In fact, I even want to add here. Sa totoo lang. So, mag-add dito. Pero sayang, kung nag-add sana ako dito, I would be in a so much better position. Kahit dito lang ako mag-TP and call it a day. I think 200 yung nire-risk ko and this would be 300. Yeah. Just annoying. Coulda, woulda, shoulda. Ano pair tinitrade mo? NQES, YM, Euro USD, GBP USD, sometimes gold. Then yeah, usually yun lang tinitrade ko, yung 5. Tapos sometimes I would even go for CL. Just because it's hot right now. Usually gusto ko nagte-trade when other pairs when they have a good higher time frame. Pag wala, fortunately. Let's say if I add here, right? What would this look like? Basically, dun sa first entry. Is it too late? Could add here. Raise akong 162. Pag natalo ako, down ako ng $300 on the day. I guess not bad. Oh, yeah, not bad. Max loss. Should I add? Pag nag-retrace siya dito. Or should I just trade the NQ? Should I just trade the NQ, chat? Top situation right now. Top spot. In hindsight, ang daling sabihin na mag-long after mag-move the market, you know? But it's always in hindsight. 11:30, I'm gonna call it a day. This is gonna hold to this position. If I get break even, it is what it is. Malapit na ako mag-payout sa ibang firm. Let's see. Or 9. Oh my god, bro. Grabe. Meron pa bang mga Pilipino na content creator na nag-aaksi? Ano pang ibang futures prop dito sa Pinas? Tradify, Funded Next, Top Step, Bullnox, Futures Elite. Ito, based on the best after Apex, okay? Based on the best after Apex, Tradify, Top Step. After Top Step, I would say Funded Next or Bullnox. Tapos Futures Elite, hindi ko pa alam yon. Tapos FFF, hindi ko pa din alam yon. So those are options. Those are your options, I guess. Grabe to ah. Literal na ni-retrace buo. Insane, guys. Super insane. Equal high right now. Yeah, just boring market overall. I miss Biden market. Namimiss ko na yung market ni Biden, chat. Even though hindi ganun ka-large ang mga swings, you get a good PD array and liquidity pools. I don't like all-time high. Like, all-time high is gay. Sige, mag-add ako dito. Pag na-rack ako, it is what it is. I'm gonna add here sa bayan chat. Dun sa kanina. 6, 5, 4, 5. Yan. Raise tayo ng $200. Raise ako ng $200 in here. Kung ma-fill ako, add ako into a longs to this level. Dito na lang magte-take profit. Even this one, I'm gonna put it up here. So yan, yan. Just gonna hold into it and just take the freaking risk. Ilan leverage target pips mo when you trade? Focus on the relative. Depende sa gaano ka-wide yung stop mo. You have to change your size. Okay. Hindi naka-base sa pips. You can trade based on pips, but yeah, it's not gonna be... It's best if mag-trade ka based on PD arrays, right? based on structure. So that varies depende gaano ka-volatile yung market. Damn, man. Grabe naman to, bes. Wait lang. Di maganda yung 15. Wick dito, daily FVG. Fuck this, man. Very annoying. Yung NQ still pushing higher. Right? Biglang naging weaker ito. Tapos yung dollar nagpo-push higher. So, hirap mag-add dito. Knowing na nag-trade tayo dito sa daily inversion. Tapos yung pagka-rejection pa niya sa 15. We could form a swing high here. Wala ring PD array based on 15. It's only based on 5. Tapos ito, chop. I think I should just not touch this at all. Break even or take profit dito. $11:30 chat. I'm just gonna call it a day. Tapos pababayaan ko lang to. Looking pretty good. Pag na-invert to, yeah, it's gonna be not pretty good. In hindsight, ang pinaka the best na ginawa ko dito would be my opinion, take this long here, stop ko below this here, tas targetin ko maybe itong daily FVG high. Kaso this would be a negative risk reward, but na pyramid naman yung position, so that would be equate to a lot of profits. Ending is ni-round trip ko tong buong trade na to. Took a while. Mas weaker ngayon ang YM for some reason. Look at NQ. It's not doing anything. Tapos ito, it was dumping lower. So, this makes me think na mas stop out ako dito. Especially nag-invert siya dito sa 5. So this is not good, right? If we want to be bullish, dapat yung PD array na to would get respected. But it wasn't, so. W patience though. I like my patience in this trade. I just followed my plan except for the fact na hindi ako nag-pyramid. Sobrang pangit na yan, Q, grabe. Oh no. Oh no. Oh no, 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 no. Oh no. Grabe, sobrang chop, bro. This is insane. Don't know what to say about this. Sobrang choppy. Wala akong masabi. Bro. I'm gonna call it here, chat. Yeah, just not very good price action overall. I'm just gonna keep holding this. So far right now, down ako ng 129 per account. As you can see here. Though I took profit on some para makapag-request ako ng payout. But yeah, I'm currently down to 129 per account. Dahil dun sa trade ko with the NQ. Then, ito, may unrealized profit ako with YM. I'm just gonna hold this up to this level. I'm not even going to touch it. Ayan ko lang siya break even or yeah, make some profit. But yeah, yeah, that's it for me today. Just trading slowly, adapting to this market condition because yeah, I blew a lot of my PA account because of this new market condition. We're just keep grinding higher. And right now, I'm sizing down in order to adapt into this new environment. Tapos, yeah, I'm just slowly building back capital, slowly building back prop firms. Yun yung ginagawa ko right now. I think I have, right now, I have more than 20 accounts with different prop firms funded, pero they're at almost initial balance. Plus, yeah, I don't know if they're legit for sure kasi I haven't personally tried to get payout from them. So, yeah, I'm just gonna, yeah, try to slowly build back up. I'm not trying to get max funded across prop firms na hindi ko alam. If may max allocation na 5, I'm just gonna try 2 or 3. And if I get paid out and everything is smooth, then I will double down. But for now, I'm happy with what I got. Yeah, so as you can see, yung PA account ko are just very few right now. I think yung PA account ko with Apex is just 7 accounts. Yeah, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Yeah, 7 accounts. Tapos yung balance nila are just, yeah, I only have like 1,500 drawdown, 1,000 something drawdown left in this. In my mind, inaccept ko na blown na tong mga to. I may not, you know, get payout with this anymore, but it's fine. So yeah, GG chat, and yeah, I'll talk to you guys tomorrow for another action. Hopefully tomorrow is gonna be a lot better. And yeah, appreciate you guys being here. Yeah, I'll talk to you guys tomorrow for another action dito. So click the like, click the subscribe. Excuse me. You know what to do. Use the code drone if you want to buy some account with Apex. And yeah, use that for the best discount, baby. Grab that 20 accounts, scale that 20 accounts. Yeah, I'll talk to you guys tomorrow. So